Hi everyone, I'm Mark Trossel, Vice President of Design for Ram and Mopar. Behind me is our 2025 Easter Jeep Safari build for the Mopar brand that we affectionately call Sunchaser. This vehicle is a great way for us to showcase the Jeep performance parts and Mopar accessories that we offer to our customer through our catalog, putting in a really fun wrapper. Starting up front with our winch guard that we've modified, we always like to take things a little bit further than what we offer just to show our customers the opportunities of creating different concepts or expressions themselves. This vehicle has our Jeep Performance Parts 2-inch lift on it with a 37-inch tire on a black Rhino wheel that we offer through our affiliate program. It also has our high top fenders on it that we offer. We've done some modifications to these by putting some venting in there, again, to just show our customers some things that they could potentially do. This concept also utilizes our Illuminate lighting system in it, and it's great for trails, great for lighting up campsites with these pieces actually pivoting out, and they rotate as well to illuminate whatever needs to be done. On the inside of the vehicle, we've retrimmed the seats. Working with a Leah leather, we've done a beautiful two-tone finish with an orange accent color. We have also incorporated our IP accessory rail that's great for trail rides, being able to mount your phone or other accessories up there when you're outside. This vehicle also utilizes our Jeep Performance Parts rock rail on it, and of course finishing off the high top fenders that we have in the back. One of the other pieces that we created on this, and we like to do some things to tease the market and try and get feedback from our customers on, and we've created this Jeep box utilizing some of the interior volume, not taking too much away. It lives up against the roll bar inside of it, but it adds some dry storage to it with a molly panel, some netting, and then of course some of our Jeep accessories that bolt into it as well. We think this vehicle is going to look great in the sun in Utah, and hopefully you've enjoyed this walk around.